Hello everyone, today we will talk about the star note of the Philippines. So guys, this is the star note of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay, let's continue. This is the portrait of the former president of Manuel Rojas. And over here, the signature and name of the President of the Republic of the Philippines, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. And here, this is the name and signature of the Governor of the Central Bank, Felipe Medalla. And over here at the right side, upper, you will see the serial number. And here, this is the Republican of Filipinas. And at the lower side, you will see here the Sandaang Piso in Tagalog, in English 100 peso. This is also a serial number, and this is the old building of the Central Bank of the Philippines. So I will show you the other side of this coin. This is the Mayon volcano. Mayon volcano, and this is the whale shark in Tagalog, Bodanding. And this is the map of the Philippines. Okay, so let's continue. A 2023 100 peso star note is a special collectible version of the standard Philippine 100 peso banknote, featuring the same new generation currency design with President Manuel A. Rojas, but with a star at the end of its serial number, indicating it's a replacement note for a misprinted one, often sold by collectors on sites like eBay and ETSI. These notes have the signature of Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and Medalla and are distinguished by their security features like the transparent window security thread and distinct colors, often sold in uncirculated condition. Star note details. Obverse front features President Manuel A. Rojas, show the old central bank building and the proclamation of the Philippine Republic. Reverse back. Depicts the Mayon volcano and an outline map of the Philippines, includes an image of a whale shark in Tagalog, Butanding. Materials made from a blend of cotton and abaca fiber. Security features includes a clear window, security thread, and tactile dots for the visually impaired. What's a star note? A star note has a star symbol at the end of the serial number, replacing the last digit. So the value of this coin, it depends on the condition of this star note. Okay guys, so I will show you the reason why we call this a star note. This is the symbol of a star note. If you see a like this one, meaning that is a star note, this one. So this is why we call this a star note. So anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3, and likes my video. Thank you very much.